Because I'm a beast, baby. We got agents. My wife said,
I bet you can't automate outreach for creators and local businesses and for my UGC business.
So I unleashed the AI agent while she sleeps that does all the outreach for her for the top 100 Shopify brands. And I did it all before finishing this cup of coffee. If you want to learn how to build agents that actually do shit for you, this is the video. I promise you, by the end of this video, you're going to be able to not only build AI agents, but you're going to be able to get rid of those automation softwares that are way too complicated that you don't even have the time to actually build yourself. I'm going to break down every single step from scraping the data to building the website, and then I'm going to write custom messages for each brand based off of her website. It's going to automate the whole process for her, so she's not going to have to do any more work. And you can apply this for your local business. Maybe you're a B2B salesman, or you're running a SaaS business and you want to do massive outreach. This thing is the shit, and you're going to be able to use it now. So if you're ready to see the AI autonomous agent at work with actual real life implementation for a business, check this out. I'm going to be using Abacus AI new deep agent, and I'm going to do something for my wife, who's an amazing UGC content creator. She has worked with hundreds of brands. She's probably done, gosh, I don't even know, 500 projects at this time. She creates UGC style commercials, videos, anything you need for your e-com business or SaaS business. She's worked with Lumen, Ledger, Artist. I mean, the list goes on. And she does all this super high
Reasons I
quality
regret taking collagen peptides from
for your business. And in today's video, I'm going to help her set up an agent that's going to find the top 100 Shopify stores, and it's going to extract and scrape all the data, email addresses, contact information, phone number, the address, and then we're going to do automated outreach to every single one of those brands to pitch her UGC services. Yes, it's all going to be done by an agent, and it's already up and running, but I'm going to show you the prompt that I used. Here's what I said. I want you to go online and scrape the top 20 Shopify stores. I want you to find the URLs, and I want you to find blog posts and databases that show the top 20 ranking for their websites to get their info. So there's a lot of data out there for top Shopify stores. So I'm just kind of hinting where to go look. And then I want to get all the info, and then I want to set up an automation to contact each one of them to tell them about my wife, who's a UGC content creator. Create a website that's going to make this super, super easy to do and get the outreach. I pasted the link for her website, and now it's going through, learning about her first, and then it's going to find all of the actual websites. It's going to create a website, and we're going to be able to, in 5 minutes, be able to do massive outreach. This is the true power of agents. They're here. I've been saying it for a while, and people talk about automations versus agents. Agents are taking over. They think by themselves. That's the only prompt I had to give it. If I was doing an automation, this would probably take me hours to set up through like a make.com or NAA or whatever other services are out there. I'm not a hater on those services. Trust me, they are amazing. But you have to, one, understand how to build those automations. And then you have to set up the different nodes step by step, connect everything. And it is a cluster, you know what? And it just takes a while. I personally like to be quick with speed. I want to just give it a prompt, and I want it to just have it go off and build for me. And then I want to be able to iterate and get the response and the solution to my problem that I need personally for my needs. And in this case, it's hooking my wife up and getting her UGC business blowing up. So first of all, if you guys need UGC content, check her out. Her stuff is badass. The link is below for her page, and you guys could check out all the stuff that she's done. And of course, if you guys hire her, we appreciate it in the familia. So thank you so much. This is the beauty of this, is like once you learn these tools, you're going to have endless power. Do this for your local business. Do this for your restaurant. Do this if you're selling B2B. Do this if you're do whatever business. You could use these agents fully autonomous and have it do all the outreach for you, set everything up right, customize messages, be able to integrate with Gmail, which Deep Agent does. So then it's going to be able to actually respond to all the emails on its own based on her criteria. So you could do something. We're going to actually do it in here, but I just want to kind of tell you what's coming is we'll be able to scan her emails coming in from these brands, and they're going to say, what is your price? And then as soon as we see that keyword price, then we're going to send an email with the price guide. And when, let's say they come back, she says she charges $1,500 for a UGC video, then it's going to come back and say, oh, I'm sorry, we only have 1,000. And then she's going to be able to negotiate fully autonomously based on the criteria she programs into the agent. I know if this doesn't blow your mind, we really are living in an autonomous agent world. You just have the right tools to get started and actually build things that are significant, that can actually help grow your business and blow up your channels. Whether you're a content creator or you're running a business, you can do it all. If you're just starting out, you're seeing what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything magical. I signed up for Chat LLM, which you guys could check out below. And of course, if you do, I appreciate it always. I'm super grateful for the community, checking out these tools, using these tools. I love seeing the comments, people building and sharing what they're actually doing. That is my favorite part of having this channel, and especially in our community, because we have, let me see now, we got 4,153 members. It is 100% free. You guys could check everything below. We have people in here creating, collaborating, developers, designers, UGC content creators, lawyers, full stack developers. We got no code people in here. It's just a fun party. And it is our little private army that I created because I was the lone soldier sitting behind the computer, building the stuff on my own, like a loner. And then I said, you know what? I got to build a community. And now this thing is absolutely blown up. We have thousands of members and growing every single day. And if you guys do join, I appreciate it. And come hang with us and build some fun shit. So right now it's gathering all the information, contact info right here for all the Shopify stores. And then it's going to take all that info, build it, set it up, and put it into a website for us that we're going to be able to do. And once we do this once, then I'm going to build a dashboard where we could have the ongoing list and possibly even build in like an email agent within the dashboard that she could then access. And then it will set up all the stuff for her. And then that way we wouldn't have to use an external email services. I mean, the sky's the limit. Once you get something built as a foundation, then we're just going to continue iterating it and making it better for her needs. The results are in. The website is built. Let's check this out. Shopify store for UGC outreach. A curated list of 100 Shopify stores for potential UGC collaboration. Dahlia Services. She's a beast. Or what do they call her? Lady Boss. Oh my God, it's so good. Baby, I need you really quick. She's coming right now. This will be a surprise. She doesn't know I'm doing this. But like any good wife, since I have an emergency and I need her right now, she's taking her sweet time. Oh, here she comes. Uh-oh. All right, so actually, guys, this is Dahlia, my beautiful wife. So she challenged me, and it's done.
No way.
Yeah. So I told you before the cup is done.
Show me.
Check
I don't
this out.
believe you.
So I used an AI agent to build this. So look at this. Shopify stores for outreach. It curated the top 100 stores for UGC collaboration, and it's only female brands. So look at this first one. You're going to love this. Fashion brand that serves a platform for artists with disabilities.
Ooh, love that.
How amazing it is.
Okay.
So look,
awesome.
Shop Olivia. It's got the link.
Nice.
It's got the contact info with the phone number.
Okay.
It's got all their socials. So you can just literally one click, boom, in their social.
Nice.
And we can pre-populate the response. But here's the best part. It's got a custom message based on your website and their website.
Oh, wow.
So it basically
Awesome.
says,
Yeah.
I noticed my fashion brand. I'd love to showcase your product.
Oh,
What do you think?
good job.
Isn't that
Sorry,
crazy?
doubted you.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. And of course, if you guys need a UGC creator, we got one right here.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
All right, baby. And there you have it, guys. That is how you do it. And ladies, if you're doing it for your ladies or husbands, or, we don't discriminate here. It's all about love and building fun things with AI. So yeah, this is pretty dope, I gotta say. So next phase for this is going to be obviously some automations, and then putting all the rest of the pieces together, and then building out a dashboard for her that she could just log in and keep track of who she's contacted, who responded to her, and everything. So definitely a fun build. You see the power of this now. This agent just went in and did this for me in about 7, maybe 10 minutes. And I didn't have to go to any website. I didn't have to pull in any data. If you were doing this manually, to do 100 of these, it would have taken probably a VA the whole day if they worked nonstop, and you still wouldn't have all this information, all these links, all this stuff, not to mention the pre-written messages. So this is the power of AI agents nowadays. And this deep agent is definitely by far the best one. Here's the best part. This has an API. So now you can actually connect this API to an email client that we're going to build probably in our next video to continue this collaboration and continue this project for her, because I'm going to build this whole as a whole platform, a dashboard. She's going to have all her emails, all her responses, also all the back and forth between her and the brands. Once they reach out, customized messages, probably even custom videos. We might play with that. So there's so much I want to do with this, but you guys could just see here, quick video. I wanted to pop in and show you the power and a real case that you could see done from start to finish. I didn't gatekeep anything. If you guys like that, definitely give a follow and check out Deep Agent, Chat LLM below. All the links are below. And of course, buys me a cup of coffee, which I'm always grateful, and definitely join our community. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.